Hi everyone, welcome to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be making beef meatballs. Actually, we can use the fish, chicken and pork to make the balls too. And we mostly find it in the pho and soup. Typically, people don't make it at home because it's very easy to find at any market. But if we can make it ourselves, we will feel confident to serve it because we know what are the ingredients we use to make it. Do you agree with me? Alright, let's get started. Here is the corn starch. We will need it 15 grams. 3 grams of salt. 4 grams of baking soda, 15 ml fish sauce, half teaspoon of pepper, eight grams sugar, 5 cloves chopped garlic, 500 grams lean beef, 60 ml ice water. Now let's mix the sauce together. This is ice water. You can add in the salt, baking soda, sugar, corn starch, fish sauce, chopped garlics, black pepper. Mix it well. And then keep it aside. Right now, let's blend the lean beef. You know why we use lean beef? Because if we use the meat with a lot of fat, we will not have a bouncy meatballs. Also, the lean beef must be halfway frozen before we blend it. So these are the keys. One must be lean beef and another one is a halfway frozen beef before we blend it. Otherwise, we will have a mushy meatball. After you put the beef in the food processor or blender, you can turn it on and off every 15 seconds. While we blend the meat, the beef lifts up, so we have to open the lid and push it down. We still have 50% to go, but my blender is small, so I have to transfer the meat into a bowl so that I can blend another remaining beef. Repeat the steps until you finish the meat. So now we will blend the meat again with the sauce mixture until the texture becomes smooth. The texture is smooth enough so you can transfer it into a bowl. If the meat after blending it getting warmer, so you have to put it in the fridge for another 1 hour. So now we are ready to make the meatballs. First, we have to prepare a pot of almost boiling water. And you have to make sure the water is not boiling, otherwise it can break our meatballs. And you need to prepare a cold water so that you can soak your hands and spoon before you round up the meatballs. So now we're gonna take a bunch of meat in the hand. We will quiz it by using our thumb and pointing finger. Use your thumb to pull it back in and squeeze it. Pull it back in and squeeze it. Pull it back in and squeeze it until it's smooth. Then knead it off with a wet spoon and go against the long side so that it will be rounder. And put it into the pot. I do it one more time for you, so please keep watching closely. You can use the spoon to remove the meat from your fingers. So now all the meatballs are in here. So we need to cook it for another 10 minutes and make sure the water is not boiling. After 10 minutes, you have to transfer it into the ice water. When the meatballs are cooled down so that you can transfer it into a container and keep it in the fridge for months. Right now we have done the meatballs, so let's taste it together. You see, the meatball is well cooked and bouncy. We can use meatballs to make many kinds of foods, such as grilling, or we can put it in the soup. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please like and share and give it a thumb up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to get more recipes. So one more time, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.